Hi, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1965 Chevy Custom C10. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we have a 383 Chevrolet stroker engine. We have the one-piece rear main steel block, double roller timing chain, Compcams Rollercam camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. The correct oil pan on there. We have the engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Real nice 383 stroker valve covers with the matching air cleaner, with the black washable filter, the black Vortec intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for the 65 C10, high flow thermostat in there. We have the black Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring, and bracket. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper EFI system. All the settings will be all set. It'll be plug and play for the customer, ready to go on our live run. We have the MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance on the 65 C10. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure for the customer at 58.5 psi. We have manifold vacuum fittings installed, ground wire from the Sniper EFI in the engine. We have the flex plate on there for the customer's 700R 4 trans, proper tooth count and balance. High torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the gas filter on there, all the loop clamps, heavy duty Russell fuel line, AN fittings going up to the Holley Sniper EFI system. We have the black Stealth 8-rib serpentine belt on there, pulley kit, AC compressors on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, heavy duty 8-rib belt, high flow reverse rotation black water pump, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator. We're going to supply the heavy duty alternator wire kit for the customer, GM Saginaw power steering pump in black. Every engine is live run at Engine Factory and fully tested. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. You set the idle on the Sniper EFI, dial in all the settings, set the ignition timing, check for leaks. Everything will be thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put the engine in, you'll have 100% total confidence. You know it's absolutely perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847, or you can send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-run business here. So there you have it, our 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower engine, ready to go for our customer 65 C10 pickup. Thanks for watching.